Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ZN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like a few weeks worth of time. It's actually just the past 2 days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I did this analysis on Friday, so that is where both the red and then green line annotations are coming from. And after today's price action, it's looking like things are shifting that much more to the bears. Now, you get, the bulls have some points too, and the main point that I can see from the bullish side of the equation is, well, yeah, it pulled back today, but then after the pullback, the price is continuing to go sideways right here along this portion of the chart, which, in the past, has yielded some, bounces to the upside. And I see that argument, and that's why I wouldn't say that those people are wrong. As long as risk and reward match up and make sense, then hey, do whatever makes the most logical kind of, plan for you. But it just seems in my mind, I'd be a little bit more bearish just because, the price, it was nasty with the gap down, showed some strength, and now, it seems to be that was just a dead cat bounce and has rolled back over. And now it's just this, just simply a situation of the price kind of taking a breath before, pushing down through those levels of support. That's what kind of remains to be seen. But either way, it's an interesting setup. And, that's kind of the whole idea here is that whether you're looking at things bullishly or bearishly, there's definitely the trade plans that can be put together either way. As long as at the core, the risk makes, sense relative to the reward, that's what matters. And of course, risk management matters, because if you can't honor stop losses and all that sort of stuff, then none of this even matters. But as it stands right now, I would say this thing's looking pretty shaky. But with the sub $5 stocks, crazier things can happen. And again, just to be fair to the bulls, you got to give them credit in the sense of they are at least having the price go sideways, because it did not start off good. I mean, things started off in a very downwards manner, but then the bulls were able to get things to go sideways, which presents an interesting side from both sides of the equation. So the good news is at least it's only Monday, still 4 days left. So let's see how this one plays out. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.